Wednesdays with Zimbabwe Kid. What it is, what's good? This is Zimbabwe Kid, and welcome to Shout Out Wednesdays, where I shout out my YouTube friends. And I'd like to shout out two of my friends today. The first one is DJ Equals, and Equals is in Netherlands. He also goes by the name Poophead, P-O-O-P-H-E-D, and the YouTube channel is youtube.com/P-O-O-P-H-E-D 1 I, as in 3, Poophead 3. Yeah, and basically he's a DJ and producer. Got some really nice cuts on the YouTube channel. Check out the mixes that he has on there. Add him as a friend. Subscribe to his channel if you like the videos. And then the second one I'd like to give a shout out to is youtube.com/44Dilo, D-I-L-O, and that belongs to a good friend of mine, Dylan. Dylan basically was teaching me German, so if you see any German on my channel page, that was Dylan that kind of taught me how to say that. So I'm gonna learn the pronunciation as well. Hopefully, Dylan will probably put some some German tutorial videos up on his channel, but right now I think he has some music videos on his page. He kind of put me up on some some new music, as far as all the genres of music. So yeah, check out his page as well. Add him as a friend. Subscribe to his channel. That's youtube.com/44Dilo, D-I-L-O, and that belongs to Dylan. And that's it for today's Shout Out Wednesdays with Zimbabwe Kid. Zimbo Nexus. As always, peace.